And at the same time, we would also like to say thank you to our city government of Bacoor. Palakpakan po natin 24/7 mayors like Revilla, our Vice Mayor Rowena Bautista Mendiola, and of course the members of the Sangguniang Panglungsod. At syempre ang ating Persons with Disability Office, headed by Sir Jerwin Bautista. Palakpakan din po natin. Ayan po, maraming salamat po. Ayan, so yung ating National Disability Rights Week, formerly the National Disability Prevention and Rehabilitation Week. Ayan po, yung ating tema, promoting inclusion, celebrating abilities, and advocating access. Napakalaga po niyan kasi, ayan po, so dapat included ang ating mga kasama sa lahat ng mga programa at proyekto po ng ating bansa. At syempre dito sa lungsod na Bacoor, hindi po pwedeng ma-left behind ang ating mga persons with disability. Tama po ba yun? Ayan, dahil tama po yan. Ayan po, in a few, mag-relax muna po yung ating mga kasama because we're going to start our program para nga po sa pagdiriwang ng ating National Disability Rights Week. Maraming salamat po.